is also missing. If you look at some of the great colleges or what we call great universities, they have fantastic alumni network. In fact, that is probably the single most important thing that qualifies what they are. So if I am from here, I can reach out to all my seniors and somehow I will get, good connections, placement and so on. Whereas we are not learning from the people who have left from our own college. So these are some of the things that we have talked about, besides the fact that, because if they are not, you're simply dragging the horse to the water and you already know that they're not going to drink. So what good does that do? So here we are trying to make an environment where we know that most of the teachers who are teaching, they don't have industry experience. So how can they then give the industry expectation training in the college? So that is the reason we devised this whole schema calling the CIT Teacher Training Program. We've run this now for about 6 times already, and this is the 7th one that we'll be conducting in the summertime. So as always, you may be wondering, if the teachers of CS and IT are going to be trained, why am I as a principal or management or a placement officer here? Shouldn't they be the ones coming here and listening to all this and figuring it out and then sign up for the training program and at the end of them, why did I waste my time coming here? So let me address that point. We know that, see, my background is I'm from industry. So I don't just simply say, okay, yeah, we've trained so many hundreds of teachers, they've all gone away. And if you ask me what are they doing, I don't know. That's not good enough for me, and it's therefore not good enough for my team. So enhanced CDU, if they say, I don't know where the teachers are, I'll just, give them a hard time, and they know not to give me that answer anymore. So even if they are not in the college where they got training from, we need to know where they are. So that's what we look at. So if you send teachers to the training program and they get trained and they come back, and maybe you have sent some junior teachers and then the HOD says, okay, very good, you got the training, so AICT, we put a tick, teacher training done, etc., etc. And then what? Back to business as usual, go finish the syllabus. Go cover the syllabus. So they are going to be desperately trying to cover the syllabus so hard that the students cannot uncover anything. So that's going to be the situation. So what is the purpose of all of this? So you are here as management because you are the key stakeholder in this whole business. If you are investing the time of your teachers to come here and get training, at the moment, because this is a DIT funded program, we are offering it free for you. So the teacher training program of 2 whole months, which is happening here at IIIT, is free to you, including the fact that their room and board is also taken care of. So all that benefit is coming to you, but that's not the end of it. You have to take these people and make them take back the content what we have done, which is done in a very project-oriented learning by doing fashion, and then do the things. So this is where it all starts. So your engagement from the day one continues to be there, and you are accountable and responsible for the whole engagement, which is why there is all this paperwork called MOU, etc., that you get to sign, and you get to commit on behalf of your institute that you are indeed serious about all of this, and you are indeed going to do all your part of this deal, and then we will do our part of the deal. That's when the whole can happen, right? So if, I mainly wanted to first focus on why you are here. So knowing that you have a very important role, more of the story will unravel as we go on. So without further ado, I again warmly welcome all of you to this meeting, the principals' meeting, and I want to, reflecting on the whole thing on why do we pray to Saraswati. I was thinking about this. Say, Saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini vidyarambham karishyami siddhir bhavatu me sada. Every time we are praying to Saraswati, we are saying Vidya Arambham. Why Arambham? We did it long back, when we were little. Why are we all the time praying again Arambham? So then it came to me that possibly it's because a lot of times we have to unlearn what we have learned and then relearn new things. Are we ready, willing, and able to do so? This is the thing. The other thing I'm happy to see among the audience is also not only the partner colleges who have actually worked on successfully implementing, but also others who have gotten other benefits, like getting benefits of participating in major national programs on research collaboration projects and so on. So many benefits will ensue from partnership with Enhanced CDU. So that's the other reason why you as management need to know what all the things that we are offering and then help to make sure that your institute gets the best out of it. Thank you and welcome again.